Welcome to this strategic guidebook on navigating the European green maze. We will focus on the Taiwan machine tool industry's CBAM strategy guide, offering a winning playbook for global shifts in market access. CBAM, or the Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, presents an asymmetric impact. While the EU levies carbon tariffs on imported raw materials like steel and aluminum, complex finished goods like machine tools are currently exempt. European leaders like DMG Mori are counter-strategizing by turning, quote, green into a specification. Their first strategy is to establish carbon neutrality as a moat, helping clients meet Scope 3 goals via green machines. Is this a crisis or an opportunity? CBAM is less about a tariff barrier and more about a race for supply chain transparency. Taiwan's better carbon intensity and ESG foundation compared to rivals present a net positive advantage. Taiwan has an opportunity to overtake on the green curve. This includes replacing high-carbon rivals like China, where Taiwan's lower carbon intensity becomes a cost advantage. However, there is a double hazard: cost squeeze and a data gap. Rising global carbon prices are squeezing margins on upstream materials. Crucially, lacking whole machine carbon footprint data presents a severe supply chain risk. We see benchmark tactics in action. YCM focuses on vertical integration to control core process data, securing future pricing power. QUASER emphasizes localization and acquisitions to bypass carbon barriers directly. The action plan roadmap involves 3 phases. Phase 1 focuses on data compliance, establishing a carbon ID. Phase 2 covers product greening, making eco-mode standard. Phase 3 addresses supply chain restructuring via a short chain revolution. Phase 1 requires immediate data compliance. This means organizational carbon inventory using ISO 14064-1 and product carbon footprint calculation using ISO 14067 for main models. The goal is a certified carbon report readily available. Phases 2 and 3 involve greening and restructuring. Product greening includes developing standard eco-modes and marketing data-driven savings. Restructuring involves evaluating a, quote, short chain revolution, such as setting up final assembly lines in Eastern Europe. The case study of the Hartford 5A65E highlights key challenges. Preparing a declaration of regulatory compliance is essential. Requirements include eco-design standards for motors and pumps, and ISO 14955 data on actual energy consumption. We must redefine marketing language, emphasizing dynamic stability and eco-efficiency, not just machine weight. In summary, CBAM is a catalyst for industry upgrade, moving Taiwan's machine tools from high value for money to high green value.